Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes.
Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Riya Singh.
Riya Singh. And what's your name?
My name is Saloni Shukla.
Okay, so names are Riya Singh and Saloni Shukla.
Yes, sir.
Riya, your code is 21A and your Saloni, your code is 21B. Okay, so at first, Riya, please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, myself Riya Singh. I am from 12th Commerce. My father name is Mr. Anil Singh. He is a policeman. My mother name is Mrs. Ajita Singh. She is a housewife. I am from police line. Police line Manchanko Koshambi. I have one brother and one sister. I am interested in singing, dancing, and I am quite interested in art and craft.
And what's your ambition of life?
So my ambition I would like to join civil services.
Civil services.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. And now, Saloni, please tell me something about yourself.
As you get to know, my name is Saloni Shukla.
Yeah.
I am student of class 12 commerce. My father's name is Mr. Manoj Shukla. He is a banker.
Yes.
And my mother's name is Mrs. Sushma Shukla. She is a housewife. And I would like to have CA before my name. That's my target.
Okay. And can you tell me something about your hometown?
So my hometown is famous for better medical treatment in
Okay.
cheaper cost.
Okay, very nice. And now we are going to our next task, that is topic presentation.
Yes.
So at first, Riya Singh, you are going to tell us about your topic. When Riya Singh will finish her topic, Saloni will ask some questions, and also I will ask some more questions. Okay, so are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So let's begin your topic.
So my topic is Make in India.
Yeah.
Make in India is an initiative by Indian government of India to give foreign investors chance to invest in India in various fields of business. It main aim to attract capital and technological investment product manufacturing in India and
Yes.
product in by national and multinational companies to boost up the Indian economy. This effort was made by Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 25th September 2014 in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, directly to increase employment opportunity in India and made our nation global manufacturing hub.
Okay. And now, Saloni, you ask some questions.
Okay. Yeah, do you think this program is effective in reducing poverty level in our country?
Yes, this program provide very successful track to track of employment to youngsters, which fill their pockets, and it quite sure it helps to reduce poverty level and.
Okay, Riya, when this campaign was launched?
So this campaign was launched in 25th September 2014 in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi.
Okay, very nice. Now, Saloni, you are going to tell us about your topic. So, are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am glad to have this opportunity to explain my views on the topic unemployment. Problem of unemployment is very serious issue, not for India, but for all over the world.
Yes.
There are millions of people who are unemployed or they do not have any kind of job. As a result, they fail to achieve even the basic necessity of life. And all this pull down the population below poverty line. Unemployment is the reflection of poverty, so it's very necessary to take action against it. If we ignore this, it will become the reason. For the doom of the country.
Yes.
The main
Unemployment.
yes,
This is a big problem.
Only what are the main causes of unemployment?
there are many causes of unemployment, like slow economic growth, rising population, decline of cottage and small scale industries, faulty employment planning, faulty manpower planning, and so on.
Okay, unemployment, where you can see unemployed person?
Sir, unemployment can be seen in every field of every sector, like agriculture sector, industrial sector, tertiary sector.
Educated person are not getting their jobs.
Yes.
That is unemployment.
That is unemployment.
Okay, and now this is your next task, that is problem solving task.
Okay.
I am going to provide you an information about a problem. Both of you discuss this problem and find out the solution. That is prompt number 6, and this is a problem. Both of you discuss about the problem and find out solution.
There are some small schools. Every morning you see the people living walk a long distance to fetch water. You would like to help them in some way. Discuss with your partner. How would you like to go about this? And
Yes, I would feel bad for them. So I would like to help them for 1 or 2 days for fetching water and provide them water tank and water government services for water services.
yes. And we must also call to municipality for government water taps in their locality and so on.
Yes. Dear students, let's stop now. You have done very well, and now you may go now. Thank you very much.
Thank you.